Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we talked yesterday about the potential for the bears to move, or the bulls rather, to move this out of the zone, convert the top of the zone to resistance. No, did not happen. So they rejected that back in the zone, left a pretty ugly little candle there, and they've traded it down as low as 91 and change, like 91.5. Saw a little day in the room. Right now we're short with a runner from 48.25 from yesterday. We just held it overnight. And we're just kind of rolling down stops as we go. So, what do I expect here? Well, if the bears can put in a day, okay, if they can follow through on yesterday, in the process, they would convert the 50-day and the 20-day, the daily mid-band, and they would pretty much force a move back to the 9-day. Which is, with the exception of yesterday, really the first time in a long time that we have not interacted with the 9-day in some fashion. The first time in 2023, although that's not much, it's not saying much, that we haven't interacted with the 9-day at some point during the course of the trading day. So on the hourly chart, you're testing multiple areas right now. You're testing the weekly pivot, down at 38.85. You're testing the 100-day. You're testing the daily mid-band. Here's where we rejected. You've taken out the monthly pivot. You've taken out the 50. So you really got to get here. You got to get back into the 9-day. And this time, really, try to stay below it. Try to progress some price. You have Powell speaking today a couple of times. Once in the morning, once late in the afternoon, in Sweden. You've got CPI on Thursday morning, and that's always like dropping a bomb on the tape. So you do have some catalysts that need to play out. So we'll see how it goes. As far as price is concerned, big round number 3,900 is always a deal. We were walking everybody down to the room yesterday with our support and resistance table that we put in our subscriber briefing report every morning. Here's the next number, here's the next number, here's the next number. That thing's worth the price of admission. So we'll see what prices want to be important today. You got volume weighted average price, 04.5. Proprietary moving average is sitting just above 39.02. Hourly mid band 39.11.64. Under no circumstances, if the bears want to put in a day, do they need to be trading above that hourly mid-band for any reason. And they really should try to keep everything below 1575, which is your Globex high. If they can do that, they have a chance to make a run at the 9-day down there after taking out weekly pivot. What do the bulls want to do? Well, they want to do exactly the opposite. They want to close the day with something with a 39 on it, preferably above that 50-day, and turn this entire situation into yet another higher low, which has been the whole problem for the bears going back. Just keep putting in freaking higher lows. So it's a nice rejection, but you've got to really progress. You've got to get back below where you were, all the way back in time, all the way back on Friday. It's Tuesday. Down at 38.19. I mean, they've given up just a truckload of ground after the jobs report. So, both sides definitely have their work cut out for them. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'm happy to see so many new people coming in and check out the room. Come check out the room. Risk, price, how to manage things. We'll teach you all that. It's a great group of people. Look forward to meeting you. Take care, trade them well, be good, and I will see you tomorrow.